Hello guys and welcome to Make It, and today I'll show you how to use Ajax, jQuery Ajax. So we are doing a simple the GET request. So whenever click on this GET result button, this link, so you used to fetch the result from API. So for API we are using the fake REST API.tk. So the first result was the title. We are going to be displaying this title in our jQuery page. Let's start. So I have done the basic setup of it. So if I refresh it, so I have done the basic setup. So whenever you on click on it, it should some display alert. Yeah, it is working. Now let's start our thing. So the first, so the prevent default, so now start the GET request. So first dot Ajax, so we should take the URL of it. So URL, after that type what type of the request that we passing. Once we done that, so data type, what data type that we accessing. So this is the JSON. So once we done that, we need a success return, right? We need success function that function. So that's it. So then we take the first or URL, and this is our URL. So paste into the URL address. Then type is the GET request, and data type was the JSON. So that's it. So now we're passing a response to a function. So response, so if we give the alert response, let's see what we used to get over here. So if I refresh it, click on results, so we are getting an object. So object, so let's say alert with the title. I think so the title was the field over here. If you see, the title was there. So now refresh it, so we are getting the title, Creative Arts 151. So this is the same, right? The Creative Arts 151. So now I should want to display the result, this alert result in the page. So I use normal append over here. So remove this one. So I used to print that instead of the result. The result that I am already using over here, ID result. So instead of that, I should want to display the API result. So it's an ID result dot append. So as a list element that we used to display li class. So class name that will use the bootstrap thing. So title, we should display the result title, and we should close our li. That's it. So the li I should want to use over, so list group item, so I'm using single quotes over here, so we can't use two double quotes over there. the descriptive item is added, the response title is added, that we are appending to result, this result tag. Okay, it's a paragraph tag. So let's see. Refresh it and click on it. Yeah, we are getting the creative arts 151. That's it. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching. And also can also use this fake list API. It could be one of the best API that you can use in your projects, or if you want to learn about APIs in different programming language, it may be useful, and they may be having a documentation also. So it could be using curl and Ruby documentation there. Hope you like the video, and please subscribe to make easy. Thank you.